Hello, YouTube and their crypto enthusiasts, and welcome to another episode of Equibit Crypto. Today we have some great news. The token we have been following, the Waxp token, have pumped about 140% just today, and I think we are up about 500% since the low. It pumped because Binance is listing Waxp on Binance. This is, of course, very bullish news, which means the market opened up for a lot of new people, and we will see more volume in the Waxp token for sure. So that is what happens to all cryptos that get listed on Binance. They pump. Maybe this is a little bit of a sell the news event. I sold a little bit here when it started to fall, um, just to take some profits. And now we are entering a very bullish pattern here. We are above the seven moving average. For now, we were just beneath it. So there is not, I mean, we see here we get a bounce off the line, but it's going straight up. So there is quite some way down to the 20 moving average and then support. Maybe we can have a look at the 10. Maybe that can be a good support level. So we see here the 10 is also um, making a bearish cross now. But if we break out of this triangle, the target is going to be, let's say, the target is going to be around 0.47 dollars for a wax. And we're about to break out, but we need to close here. And yeah, these altcoins don't always follow these pattern that clearly. And I very rarely trade these on leverage because the movements are just so large. But there is a possibility for a trade here, or maybe when we come up here, and if we bounce, like I can draw it here. So if we come up here and come here and we get a bounce here, that might be a good place to buy because you're at the end of the triangle and you have horizontal support here. Little bit, I mean, when something pumps like this, there isn't really much support, but you have a few support points here within this triangle. So, with that being out of the way, congratulations to everyone, and remember to subscribe for the next chance for a good buy, a good token to buy. And let's have a look at our other token. This is in wax price. This is why this is falling. So in dollar value, PGL have gone up. So we are starting to see PGL beginning its recover maybe compared to wax, because what often happens with these, because PGL is a we've been talking about this, is a token for a game called Prospectors, and we have been buying this over time. So let's see monthly here. Oh, there's a spike there that kind of, let's see if we can get to so here we go. So it dumped quite hard compared to Wax, but it kept its dollar value. So yeah, this spike here is making it hard to actually get any good view of this. Now it's looking better. So what I think will happen with this, since it is on PGL is on the Wax network, that's why it's traded in Wax. It's traded here on the Waxel Core exchange. What I think will happen with this is, as soon as Wax start to consolidate a little bit more, maybe over the next few days, um, the PGL will try to catch up. But as we can see, we got a bearish M on the PGL here now. If we see this, this M here. I'm not sure how I should have this a little bit in another color, maybe blue. Here you can see the M, and that is a bearish pattern. So the target for this would be all the way down here, which coincides fine with the bottom here. I don't think that will happen. It's too much. But it could if Wax continue to pump. But remember, this is in Wax value. This is not in dollar value. So PGL have been holding its dollar value. So I'm still bullish PGL. I bought a little bit today around here because you get 20% interest when you hold PGL in the game. So I just was happy with my Wax gain dollar wise. So I bought a little bit here at a cheap Wax price. So with that being out of the way, we can also have a look at our favorite coin, Bitcoin. And that is looking good. We are at $50,000, so we cannot complain at all. They look good hourly. It seems to be on a correction. We see the same M pattern here on Bitcoin. So we can do a little uh, McDonald's M here, and we can say that the target now short term for Bitcoin is, because you see we are under the moving averages here as well. So target now would be something around the 50,000. Yeah, I think maybe we were gonna hold 50,000 here, so that would be a good place to get some, not too much. So I think that's it for today. Today was mainly about Wax, but we will be back with Bitcoin at a later date, tomorrow maybe. So if you had any help from this, please subscribe and like and follow the channel, and we will make some gains together. Bye for now. Thank you.